Recording started.
I'm not the patient in the helicopter.
Just watch them lift the wheels to the stretcher up.
Her name is Camille. What was it? Yep. That means the helicopter is waiting now.
They get the patient in and situated and they get all their gear in.
What's it?
As soon as they get the patient in and situated and get all their gear in.
Why would they wait till they're here?
Didn't have it if the patient needed it.
That'd not be fun. They have to turn around and they'd be waiting their time, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see the very boys are here too?
Where are they at?
Over there, up by Subway.
Maybe they're getting Subway.
They're free cars there.
Maybe
right
they're
now.
getting Subway.
Oh.
Or maybe they're keeping an eye on you, make sure you don't get in trouble.
That. Why Jim leaving?
Yeah, they have to move out of the way.
Why?
The helicopter can take off.
Why would they're there when the Wi-Fi take off?
They would still be there. Kind of in the way, but they'd still be there.
Where are team going now?
I don't know if they're leaving or if they're going to stay there.
The police are leaving too. You hear me? All that air coming from the helicopter.
Mm-hmm.
But they're not taking off yet.
Not everybody's in the helicopter. All the doors aren't closed.
I can hear you.
And they just started the second engine. So they have to wait for that engine to come up to temperature and run up and make sure it passes all of its checks. And he has to talk to air traffic control and.
Why do they have to talk to him?
To make sure it's safe to take off.
Why didn't the police have to be here with Wi-Fi?
They don't have to. They're just here checking stuff out.
What's that?
Just here checking stuff out.
Okay.
Stop, Nicholas.
Hello. Bye-bye. Why they're not leaving yet?
Again, Nicholas, he has checks he has to run through. Make sure the engines are running right, and then he has to talk to air traffic control, and he has to talk to the people in the back and make sure the patient's stable or in a good spot.